Industrial teams rely on 3D data every day, but sharing and reviewing those assets across devices can be complex and time-consuming. The Unity Industry Viewer template changes that. It's a ready-to-use foundation for building collaborative, cloud-connected 3D experiences. You can stream complex CAD and BIM models instantly, explore them together in real time, and connect your data to Unity Cloud services, all without starting from scratch. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to set up the viewer template, connect to Unity Cloud, prepare a 3D model for streaming, and explore collaboration tools like annotations, section cuts, and XR support. We'll start by creating a new project using the Industry Viewer template from GitHub. Open Unity Hub. Add the template project and launch it in Unity version 6.2 or higher. The viewer template gives you a production-ready starting point. The network logic, UI, and cloud connectivity are already configured. That means that you can focus on your data and customizations instead of rebuilding basic systems. Next, connect your project to Unity Cloud. In the Services window, link the project to your organization's Unity Cloud project. This step enables the backbone of the experience with services like Asset Manager for data streaming, Relay for multiplayer connectivity, and Lobby for managing collaborative sessions. Without this connection, users won't be able to join shared sessions or stream models in real time, so it's essential to do this early. Now, let's prepare a 3D model for cloud streaming. In Unity Cloud Asset Manager, select your asset. Choose Edit Files in the top right corner. Then, on the source, choose the ellipses button, and at the bottom of the menu, choose Prepare for 3D Data Streaming, and save it. It's worth noting that 3D data streaming supports over 30 3D formats. This process converts your model into a format optimized for real-time streaming. It preserves hierarchy and metadata while ensuring even large industrial files like CAD assemblies load quickly and consistently across devices. By preparing assets this way, everyone on your team sees the same version without waiting for manual uploads. Now back in the Unity editor, open the main scene and press play. You're going to log in using your organization credentials to sync with Unity Cloud. From the Asset Explorer, search for your model and load it directly from the cloud. This new asset is called the source asset. From here, you can go into your asset viewer and load in secondary assets by selecting multiple assets and adding them to the scene. With multiple assets added into a scene, you can save them as a layout, which can then be loaded and experienced by multiple users at any time without having to go through the whole setup process again. This streaming workflow keeps your local project lightweight, and you're not embedding gigabytes of data. You're just referencing that data. It's especially useful for teams with large models or multiple contributors who need consistent access to the latest design data. Now that your scene is live, let's explore what makes the viewer template powerful. Use simple camera controls to navigate your models and scenes. Open the metadata panel to inspect part information. This makes it easy to trace design intent and component relationships directly from 3D data. Add 3D annotations to mark design notes and change requests right inside of the scene. And you can see these annotations synchronized in the Asset Manager. Use section cuts to analyze complex interiors and assemblies without hiding objects manually. You can even enable multiplayer sessions so multiplayer users can explore the same scene together. And for immersive review, toggle into XR mode, letting you experience your model at full scale. In just a few steps, you've set up the Unity Industry Viewer template, connected it to Unity Cloud, streamed your own 3D assets, and explored powerful collaboration tools. This workflow lets industrial teams visualize, review, and discuss complex data in real time without leaving Unity. It's fully customizable, so you can adapt it to your own AEC, manufacturing, or automotive workflows. You can even use this template to create your own build, so anyone in your team can collaborate on any project. Download the Industry Viewer template today and start creating your own collaborative 3D experiences.